Now there was a lady, her name was Mary Leakey. She found what they called the Laetoli ash field. What we believed happened was a volcano blew up, the ash came out, fell down on the ground, and then a bunch of animals ran across it after it had rained. So they actually left the tracks. And then this stuff hardened into rock, and actually what we ended up with was fossilized footprints. Well, Mary Leakey had this rock layer dated using radiometric dating methods. They came up that this stuff was 3.7 million years old. Okay. Now, right now, I don't believe in those old ages for one thing. And there's a supplement to this program you can have your teacher read to you, explain a little bit more about the dating methods, or we'll have another one later on. But Mary Leakey believed it was 3.7 million years old. So she sat down with her artist and they started drawing what they believed happened a long time ago. They looked at the tracks of some birds, looked exactly like that of a bird that we call a guinea fowl today. So they drew that bird exactly like we draw them today. They found giraffe tracks and elephant tracks. The elephant tracks and giraffe tracks looked the same, so they drew the animals the same. They found ostrich tracks and rabbit tracks, drew the animals the same. They also found the tracks of man. Look very much like the tracks that man in that area make today, so they drew man exact. Whoa, take a good look at that picture. Is that how we look today, guys? So what happened? Well, here's what happened. See, Mary Leakey had on a pair of glasses that said evolution across it. According to evolution, man was not around this 3.7 million years that they talk about. That they only believe that man was around maybe for a couple of 100,000 years, certainly not millions. So they say that couldn't be man. So who is it? Well, they have the Australopithecines, or Lucy's cousins, walk along, complete with hands and feet that they never found. All they found was the footprints, all right?